Hi viewers, are you enjoying my recipes? Today's recipe is Sri Lankan recipe, that's a Godamba roti. In the other words, you call it as parota also, but anyway, this is real Sri Lankan recipe. I have been in this field for the last 49 years and I run a home science school, and more than anything, I like to share my talent, my recipes to all of you so that you can make use of it. It's my own version of all these recipes that I am doing, and I hope you will enjoy, because when you try it out, it should come out nicely. It should come properly, and everything that you do should be perfect. To make the Godamba roti, I need 250 grams flour, white flour, and a pinch of salt, water to mix. That's all we need to make the pastry like. Then we need oil for soaking. So we will see how we are going to make that. Along with that, I am going to make different type of rotis. I need 1 egg to make the egg rotis. That is Godamba roti, egg rotis to do. Same way, a meat roti also we can do. So we need 100 grams meat, 1 potato, onions, green chilies, curry leaves, garlic and tomatoes, salt, pepper, chili powder and all the rest of it. So we will see how we are going to make this. First we will make the Godamba roti and then we can make different type of preparation. Now we add the flour into the bowl, that is white flour into the bowl, and a little salt, cold water to mix. You don't add any other ingredients, it's only water, salt and flour. Mix this nicely to a nice soft mixture. Like a dough, you have to get it mixed nicely. Now what I am going to do is mix it a little more, and I will use my hand to mix it. While kneading it, if the water is a little too much, you add a little flour and knead it. Now you can see the texture. It's very soft. I don't want that to become too hard also. This has to be quite soft. And after you make it softer, put it into the oil and you have to soak it. This is how you do the Godamba roti, which you soak it and keep at least for 5 hours. Those days we used to say if you just soak for 1 hour it's enough. No, not at all. If you can soak it for more than 1 hour, 5 hours, you know, you won't believe, even sometimes we soak it for 1 day, like, you know, overnight you can soak it and keep. Like this I have to soak, and see that the oil is covering the balls. Let it be now. Now I am going to make a meat filling. To make the meat filling, I need meat, salt, pepper, turmeric. Mix it nicely. Put the meat into the pan with the seasoning. I didn't add oil, I didn't add anything, just cook in its own juice for a while. Salt, pepper, turmeric we have added. Now there is no water, must check whether there is water. If there is no water only, I will start adding the oil. Allow it to get cooked and to stir fry. Since we have cut into small pieces, it will get cooked in no time, but leave it to cook for a while. If you feel that is not getting soft, add a little water and then only you add the oil. Now I will add the onions, finely chopped onions. When we use these onions also, please remember, onion should not be cut and kept for a long time outside. Bacteria forms. and it's not good for health also. If you use cut onions, immediately use it. Never keep it. Never keep at least half an hour, don't keep it. Immediately use the onions. Do not keep in the fridge also. Now onions, garlic I have added. Now we will add the curry leaves. You like a little green chilies. Tomatoes. When making a meat preparation as a filling, it's going to be a filling. Potatoes are better. Boiled and chopped potatoes. Boiled, chopped potatoes. Now I need salt, little more pepper, chili powder, I can use a little water or a little milk. Now this is how you make this mixture. Since we are going to fill it for my rotis, that is Godamba roti. I can put tomato sauce and things like that, but we don't want to use all that. It's better avoid all those things also, and only seasoning, pepper, salt, chili powder, turmeric we have added. Now that is enough. This is the preparation which we are having for this filling. Another thing that we need to make the Godamba roti, I said egg rotis also we can make. 1 egg I have taken, a little pepper and a little salt. Put and keep it ready. That is separately. Now what we are going to do, we have made all those things ready. Now to make the Godamba roti, see how I am going to make it. Now take one of these with a little bit of oil. But once you make it, you won't feel that there is oil in it, because while you are rolling only, you feel that you need oil. And we soaked it in oil, but remember, we won't have oil too much. The real way of doing the Godamba roti, they throw it, right? So we won't throw it. See how nicely it's getting rolled up. Thin as possible, we can roll it. Now what you do is stretch it, fold it like 4 corners. Stretch this. Now what do we do? Roast this. See how the Godamba roti comes. Oil will dry up, there won't be oil in it. Now I am going to do the meat filling. With the meat filling, when you do, roll it up, fold it into 4. Now we are going to make the egg roti. This is to do the egg roti. Into a square, you fold it. Always. Plain also you have to roll it like this, and when you put the meat or egg also you roll it like that. What is in the pan and everything will come out. It's not sticky. Press it so that the four corners, everything gets cooked well, roasted well. Now you can see the rotis are done. When you say rotis, you can see how the rotis are. These are egg rotis. These are meat rotis. And these are the plain ones. These plain ones which I have done now, please remember these are the ones we are going to use to make the kothu roti next time. So see that these are the things that we have done, like egg, meat and plain rotis. We have done the godumbu roti, plain rotis with the meat filling I have done. If you want, you can have a meat filling or a nice chicken gravy curry or a potato vaduma, like we can have a stir fry potato filling. You can have anything that you want to have with the plain godumbu roti. Next week we will see what we are going to do, something surprising. Okay, see you next week. Bye bye.